You guys must be thinking that what I was doing with this blank screen, right? But actually this is not a blank screen. I was watching a video. Don't believe? Let me show you. So guys, this is called a secret monitor screen, which was made by my friend and he gave me so that I can show you on my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about that how can you make this secret monitor screen at your home with quite easy steps. So if you want to know them, you have to watch this video. So assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Shaikh. Let's begin. So guys, in any LCD monitor or any common screen, there are two polarization layers. One is at the front and after the protector, glass protector, and other is the bottom. So all you have to do, first of all, remove the case, the protector screen of the monitor, and on the second there will be a layer of black color which is known as polarization layer. So all you have to do is take a sharp knife or any sharp cutter and cut all the edges of that layer and remove that. When you will remove that, then buy a new layer of polarization layer. It is available on internet or might be available on all the shops where LCD monitor screens are made or repaired. Okay, so take this layer and these 3D glasses, put over this layer and cut of this size. Then cut this and replace the glasses with this with that layer. And then what will happen that when the light will come from the monitor, it will be of white color. Until and unless you wear these glasses with the polarization layer, it will not be shown that what is going on the screen, because light coming from there is not in a particular direction, but when this layer is pasted on the screen, then it takes a particular direction and then you get the picture which is present on the monitor. So now I will show you some samples, some videos with this monitor, like putting this lens in front of it, and you can see the image will shown, and when I will remove this and the image will disappear and only white screen will be shown. So guys, I hope you like the video, you like this secret monitor screen idea, and you can also make this at your home. It's quite easy. So that's for today, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, and you can share this video with your friends to show this. It can also be a PBL, any project of any university or any school. So that's for today. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.